Hey guys, here's a video of me trying to fix this iPhone charger or iPad mini charger. As you can see right here, the charging connector right here had broken off from its original connector where the cable is connected to. I don't know what happened, but over time it just kept wiggling and it just finally fell off. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to remove the outer casing. As you can see, I already cut a portion of it off to expose the chip or the board or the connector is soldered onto and where the wires are soldered onto. Yeah, basically you can see where I had already made the cuts on it. See if my phone can focus. Yeah, so anyways, as you can see, I made a cut right there. Basically what I did was I used a razor blade, made a slit on the side, and I used a little pick tool, stuck it in where I had made a slit on the side, right there, stuck the tool in, popped it out, and when you pop it out, this is what you're left with. It exposes the board inside, and from there, once you open it up, sorry guys, my phone sucks right now, it's not focusing. Okay, once you open it up, there you go, it exposes the board. And then from there, just remove that portion of it, remove the little rubber tip of it off where the cable slides into, the little grommet, and there you go. You're left with the charging tip, the connector, and the board. And then from here, you can figure how you want to do it. Just use a use a wire stripper. Strip these wires. Grab a soldering gun, soldering tool, and just resolder it back onto the board. Alright guys, I'm out.